For new home construction, a smart security upgrade gives owners remote monitoring and stronger safety right from move-in. Start by planning wiring and wireless zones while walls are open so cameras and sensors get optimal placement and power without running exposed conduits later. Choose cameras with cloud recording and local backup to avoid single points of failure and set them to record at motion sensitivity levels that reduce false captures while keeping events you care about. Position one at each primary entrance and one covering the driveway or street approach at a height that prevents tampering. Install smart doorbells with two-way audio and pre-buffer recording so you can see and speak to visitors before answering, and connect them to cloud storage for easy retrieval. Configure privacy zones to avoid recording neighbors. Fit door and window contact sensors on all ground-level openings and high-value interior doors, and test them by opening and closing to confirm signal strength and battery health. Use smart locks that support unique entry codes and temporary access schedules for contractors or guests, and enable auto lock with a short delay to prevent accidental lockouts. Integrate all devices into an alarm monitoring plan and a single mobile application so notifications, camera clips, and alarm events come to your phone and can be shared with family or trusted contacts. Common problems include weak Wi-Fi coverage that causes camera dropouts, so place a dual-band whole home access point or mesh node near high-demand areas and run Ethernet to primary hubs when possible for reliable upstream bandwidth. Another issue is too many motion alerts that lead to ignored notifications, so lower motion sensitivity, use activity zones, and set smart detection filters for people and vehicles only. A third concern is poor power planning, where battery devices die at inconvenient times, so choose hardwired power for critical cameras and doorbells when building, and for battery sensors, schedule routine checks and enable low battery alerts in the app. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for installations and compare services and pricing related to smart security upgrades, and we also help contractors showcase their work and find clients. We host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange installation tips, product experiences, and recommendations.